Before buying an electric dirt bike, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Because with so many options out there, it's easy to get lost in flashy features while missing what really counts.
Product number 1, Weiyingxi handlebars. We have the Weiyingxi Universal 7/8" dirt bike handlebars, priced at $39.99. What caught my eye here is the durable construction and sleek look. If you want sturdy handlebars that fit a variety of dirt bikes, this is worth a serious look. These handlebars are made from high-strength 6061 T6 aluminum, meaning they can withstand crashes and falls without bending easily. They fit major pit bike models like CRF and YZF, so you'll likely find these perfect for your bike setup. Plus, they come with dimensional markings for easy customization, which is crucial if you want that perfect fit. The matte finish not only looks sharp, but also prevents oxidation, ensuring they stay looking good for longer. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky due to the dimensional markings being hard to see. Here's the thing though, if you take your time or watch a quick tutorial, it's not a deal breaker and definitely worth it for the price and quality. This is perfect for you if you need reliable, high-quality handlebars without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something more flashy or if you're not comfortable with DIY installations. For just $39.99, it's a solid investment. Now, if the installation concerns bothered you, this next product might actually be even better for straightforward use.
Product number 2, Ziff Vizoo number plate. We have the Ziff Vizoo electric dirt bike number plate, available for only $9.99. It's a simple addition, but it caught my attention due to its universal fit and quick installation. If you want to add a touch of style while protecting your bike, this is worth considering. This number plate is designed for a wide range of popular electric dirt bikes, ensuring a snug fit without any awkward gaps. It's made from high-grade waterproof material, so it helps protect your bike's cables from mud and debris, which is super important for longevity. The sleek design not only looks good, but also helps with aerodynamics by reducing wind drag. Plus, you can customize it however you want, which adds a personal touch to your bike. Now, some users mentioned that the plate could be a bit flimsy. Here's my take. For $9.99, it's a trade-off. As long as you're not doing extreme riding, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, inexpensive way to enhance your bike's look while providing protection. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty for hardcore racing. At $9.99, it's a steal for the benefits you get. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually blow you away with its added features.
Product number 3, Omer's Dirt Bike Helmet. The Omer's Adult Motocross Dirt Bike Helmet. What really stands out is the included goggles, gloves, and mask. If you want a complete safety package without spending a fortune, this is a great pick. This helmet meets DOT FMVSS 218 safety standards, meaning you can feel secure while riding. It's made from high-quality ABS material, giving you a solid shell that can take impacts. The multiple air vents are a game changer for hot summer rides, allowing for airflow that keeps you cool. Plus, the double D ring design ensures it stays on your head during those thrilling rides. You get all the essential accessories, which is a nice bonus. However, some users found it a bit bulky and heavy compared to other helmets. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something super lightweight, this might not be your first choice, but the safety features make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive safety setup for dirt biking without overspending. Skip this one if you're looking for a light, minimalist helmet. At $62.95, it's a solid value for the safety it provides. Now, if the weight of that helmet had you thinking twice, the next option might strike a better balance.
Product number 4, Omer's Quick Release Helmet. We have another option from Omer's, the Adult ATV Dirt Bike Helmet, priced at $83.66. This one's also got the goggles, gloves, and mask, but with a quick release buckle that makes it super easy to take on and off. If ease of use is your priority, this is worth checking out. Much like the previous model, this helmet meets safety standards and offers all the same protective features. The quick release design is a huge plus, especially if you're the type who likes to hop on and off your bike frequently. Its ventilation system is also excellent, ensuring you stay comfortable even on hot days.
Plus, like the other model, it comes with protective gear to keep you covered. That said, some users have mentioned that the padding inside could be more comfortable. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the plushest helmet, it still does the job of keeping you safe, and the quick release feature is a game changer for convenience. This is perfect for you if you prioritize ease of access and want a full safety kit. Skip this if you need maximum comfort over everything else. At $83.66, it's a great deal for the convenience and safety it offers. Alright, that was a nice option, but the last product on our list offers something a bit different.
Product number 5, Oomers Crazy Blue Helmet. Let's talk about the Oomers Adult ATV Dirt Bike Helmet in Crazy Blue, priced at $75.49. This model has the same great features as the previous helmets, but the color really stood out for me. If you want safety with a pop of style, this helmet is worth considering. This helmet also meets DOT safety standards and includes the same amazing ventilation and protective gear. The bright color not only looks cool, but helps increase your visibility on the trails, which is an important safety factor. It's designed for a snug fit and ease of wear, making it a solid choice for riders who want a bit of flair without sacrificing protection. Now, some reviews mention that the sizing can be hit or miss, so make sure to measure your head properly before buying. But honestly, with the right size, this helmet is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and safe helmet that stands out. Skip this if you're after a more traditional look. At $75.49, it's a stylish yet practical investment. To wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic budget options for electric dirt biking under $1,500. From durable handlebars to comprehensive helmet kits, there's something for everyone. Whether you want practicality, style, or a complete safety package, these products deliver without breaking the bank.
So there you have it, the top 5 budget electric dirt bikes and accessories under $1,500. Whether you're looking for handlebars, protective gear, or a complete helmet setup, these options provide great value. Remember, it's not just about the price, it's about finding what fits your riding style and needs. Happy riding!